What's up guys? So, Redmi has now officially announced that, the next month, we are getting the Redmi K40 series, and this will mark the third generation of the Redmi K series. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be delicious. Now, let's get started. After the launch of the Redmi K20 series in 2019, and the Redmi K30 series in 2020, the company is now all set to launch the Redmi K40 series on the official Weibo page. So, Redmi announced that the K40 series would launch next month in the Chinese market. This time, as well, we are expecting at least two smartphones, that is the mid-ranger, Redmi K40, and the high-end flagship named Redmi K40 Pro. The Redmi K40 Pro will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC, so this shouldn't come as a surprise. Since the Redmi K20 Pro launched with the Snapdragon 855, and the Redmi K30 Pro with Snapdragon 865, the most powerful Qualcomm SoCs at the time of their launch. So, the company said that the Redmi K40 series is coming with a flat display, but it will be one of the most expensive flat panels in the industry, so we can expect at least the Redmi K40 Pro to feature a high-end AMOLED panel, like in the case of the Xiaomi Mi 11. And we also got to know that the battery underneath is bigger than 4000 mAh. Finally, the company revealed that the starting price of the Redmi K40 series would be 2,999 yuan, which translates to $463. Now, this is definitely the starting price of the Snapdragon 888 powered K40 Pro, and not the K40, since the Mi 11 starts at 3,999 yuan, and Redmi would definitely not price the K40 Pro above the Mi 11. So, last year in December, we got a leak that revealed the design of Redmi K40 live images, and those images revealed a flat display, with a centered hole punch cutout, and a quad camera array on the rear. So we already know that both the K40 and K40 Pro have high refresh rate panels, and not like last year, where the K30 offered a 120Hz LCD, but the K30 Pro had a 60Hz AMOLED. Well, we are only 12 days into 2021, and already we have got a couple of Snapdragon 888 powered phones, and also a ton of leaks of the upcoming devices. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.